All right, so this week we're doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a deep dive into a curated list of open houses that are hitting the Toronto market this weekend, Saturday, March 29th and Sunday, March 30th.
Nice.
So think of this as your insider's peek at some hot properties that are coming up.
Very cool.
And this selection has been put together by Brad Cox.
Oh, nice.
From the Heaps Estrin team.
I know Brad.
You know Brad.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's great.
Yeah, he is.
And he, really specializes in providing a bespoke real estate experience. He really understands his clients and what they're looking for and helps them find that perfect match.
For sure.
And while we're focusing on these open houses today,
Okay.
just keep in mind that Brad also has access to a number of exclusive or off-market properties.
Right.
So this is really just a snapshot of what might be out there.
Yeah, exactly.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to give you a quick yet informative rundown of these properties. We're going to hit the key details, point out something that makes each one stand out.
Sounds good.
And hopefully it'll spark some ideas if you're considering a move in Toronto.
Awesome.
All right, so first up on our list is 37 Tilson Road.
Okay.
In Mount Pleasant East.
Right.
It's listed at $2,049,000.
Okay.
Offers 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
And it's brand new to the market, only 3 days listed.
Wow.
What really jumps out about this property is that it's on a really sought-after, child-friendly street.
Okay.
In the Maurice Cody PS district.
Always popular.
Plus, it has that always valuable legal front pad parking and a south-facing lot.
Yeah, Tilson Road, that area is really desirable, especially for families.
Yeah.
They have that sense of community there.
Yeah.
People feel safe letting their kids out.
Exactly.
And, that south-facing lot is a huge asset as well.
Totally.
You get that beautiful natural light throughout the day, which is always a plus.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so next up we're looking at 305 Castlefield Avenue in Lawrence Park South.
All right.
This one's priced at $2,195,000.
Okay.
And has 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
Another fresh listing, just 1 day on the market.
Wowzers.
The key feature here is that it's been beautifully and completely renovated.
Nice.
Including a full 3-level addition.
Wow.
And it's located in the very popular Allenby School area.
Well, the Allenby School District is always a huge draw for families.
Yeah.
So a fully renovated home with a 3-level addition in that area is going to be very appealing.
For sure.
Renovations like that often mean modern layouts,
yeah,
updated finishes, things that buyers really appreciate.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to 46 Clarendon Avenue in Casa Loma.
Okay.
The semi-detached is listed at $2,249,000.
All right.
And offers 3 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
This is also a new listing, but it's been on the market for 30 days now.
Okay.
What's interesting here is that it's a sun-drenched semi on a substantial 150-foot deep lot.
Wow.
In South Hill.
Okay.
And it's been with the same owner for over 30 years. Wow.
A real testament to how well it's been cared for.
Well, yeah, I mean, a 150-foot deep lot for a semi in that part of the city is quite rare.
Very rare.
And the fact that it's been with one owner for so long,
yeah,
often suggests a well-maintained property.
Yeah.
With a lot of history and character.
For sure. Okay, so our next stop is back in Lawrence Park South at 258 Briar Hill Avenue.
Okay.
This one's listed at $2,298,000.
Okay.
And has 3 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
Remarkably, it's 0 days on the market.
Wow.
As new as it gets.
Brand spanking new.
The standout is that it's a stunning contemporary home, recently renovated, and it's right next door to a luxury home valued at over $10 million.
Oh, wow.
It boasts a chef-inspired kitchen and a spa-like primary suite.
So, being situated next to a property of that caliber really speaks to the prime location.
Yeah.
And, those features, a chef's kitchen, a spa-like primary suite, signal high-end renovations, and a focus on modern living. Yeah, for sure. All right, now we head over to Leaside with 49 Glenvale Boulevard.
Right.
This detached home is priced at $2,349,000.
Okay.
And has 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 9 days, another relatively new listing.
Yeah.
What makes this one notable is that it's been impeccably maintained by the same owners for 31 years.
Wow.
And sits on a generous 39.5 by 122-foot pool-sized south lot in North Leaside.
Well, Leaside's always in demand.
Yeah.
particularly for families.
For sure.
That long-term ownership really speaks to the desirability of the location
Yeah.
and the care that the home has received.
Yeah.
And a south-facing pool-sized lot
Oh, yeah.
offers a lot of potential for outdoor enjoyment.
Absolutely. Okay, let's move downtown to the Annex.
Okay.
Specifically 95 Marlborough Avenue.
All right.
This semi-detached is listed at $2,385,000
Okay.
and offers 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
It's only been on the market for 4 days.
Right.
The highlight here is that it's a stunning 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom home
Wow, 4 bathrooms.
in the heart of Summerhill.
Nice.
On an 18-foot wide lot with side yard access and some beautiful heritage detail.
Summerhill and the Annex.
Yeah.
It's just a fantastic location.
Yeah.
Known for its shops, its restaurants.
Yeah.
And a 3-bedroom home with 4 bathrooms.
Yeah.
That's quite generous.
Yeah.
And those heritage details.
Yeah.
Add a unique charm that a lot of buyers in the Annex really appreciate.
Absolutely. Okay. Back uptown in Forest Hill South, we find 241 Chaplin Crescent.
Okay.
This detached home is listed at $2,395,000
All right.
and has 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
It's been on the market for a bit longer at 60 days,
Okay.
but it's still a new listing.
Right.
What's really special here is that it has direct private access
Oh, wow.
to the Kay Gardner Beltline Trail.
Now, that is a huge selling point.
It's huge.
For anyone who loves walking, biking, or just being outdoors.
Yeah.
It's like having a massive backyard
Yeah.
that you don't have to maintain yourself. And, Forest Hill South,
Yeah.
a very established and desirable neighborhood.
For sure. Okay, staying in the $2,395,000 range,
All right.
we move to Rosedale Moore Park
Okay.
with 39 Stanish Avenue.
Right.
This detached home offers 4 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
And has been on the market for 46 days, another new listing.
Okay.
The standout here is that it's a captivating, recently renovated multi-unit property
Interesting.
near Chorley Park.
Okay.
This could be a great opportunity for investors or families looking for some extra income, as the main and second floors are currently vacant.
Well, a multi-unit property in Rosedale offers a lot of flexibility.
Yeah.
The fact that parts of it are vacant
Yeah.
makes it particularly interesting for someone who wants to live in one unit and rent out the others.
Yeah.
And being close to Chorley Park is a real bonus.
For sure. Okay, our next stop is back in Mount Pleasant East at 485 Davisville Avenue.
Okay.
This detached home is listed at $2,399,000 and has 3 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 10 days and is now listed as PC, meaning previously conditional.
Okay.
What makes this one stand out is that it's an absolutely stunning, custom-built executive home
Nice.
right in the heart of Davisville,
Wow.
just steps from Bayview Avenue.
Okay.
And it even has a custom deck and a pickleball basketball court.
Well, a custom-built home in such a central location with those kinds of recreational features is quite unique.
Yeah.
And, that PC status
Yeah.
might be something that a potential buyer would want to inquire about.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, moving back to the Annex, we have 8 Alex Mews.
Okay.
A townhome listed at $2,488,818
Okay.
with 3 bedrooms plus 1.
Right.
It's been on the market for 11 days, a new listing.
Okay.
The standout here is that it's a newly updated contemporary townhome
Okay.
in a private, well-maintained Mews setting
Nice.
in prestigious Rosedale, Summerhill.
Okay.
Just a short walk to all the amenities of Yonge Street.
The Mews setting often provides a nice blend of privacy and community.
Yeah.
And being in Rosedale, Summerhill, so close to Yonge Street,
Yeah.
gives you excellent access to shops, restaurants, and transit.
Totally. All right. Just around the corner, also in the Annex, is 115 Marlborough Avenue.
Right.
A semi-detached home listed at $2,598,000 with 2 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
This one has been on the market for 15 days, a new listing.
Okay.
The standout attribute is that it's a beautifully updated century home right in the heart of Summerhill,
Nice.
featuring a walkout from the kitchen and a private upper deck off the primary suite.
A century home in Summerhill with those modern updates is always appealing.
Oh.
The kitchen walkout and private deck really enhance the living space, offering great options for enjoying the outdoors.
Absolutely. Okay, our next property takes us to Young Eglinton.
Okay.
With 105 LaSalle's Boulevard.
Right.
This detached home is listed at $2,749,000.
Okay.
And offers 4 bedrooms plus 1. All right. Quite new to the market, only 2 days listed.
Okay.
The standout here is that it's an impeccably renovated Chaplin Estates home on a coveted corner lot.
Okay.
perfectly blending that classic character with modern sophistication.
Chaplin Estates is a very sought-after pocket.
Yeah,
And, a corner lot often provides more light and a greater sense of space.
for sure.
And combining that timeless character with modern updates
Yeah.
is a hallmark of many desirable homes in that area.
Absolutely.
Oh.
Okay, staying in the Forest Hills South area, we have 328 Warren Road,
Okay.
a detached home listed at $2,799,000
Okay.
with 3 bedrooms plus 1.
Okay.
It's been on the market for 14 days and is also listed as PC.
Okay.
The standout attribute is that it's a stunning renovated residence in the Chaplin Estates Forest Hills South area
Okay.
with a Scandinavian-inspired design and a deep backyard.
And the Scandinavian design
Yeah.
is very popular right now.
Yeah.
Known for its clean lines,
Yeah.
bright aesthetic. And a deep backyard is always a valuable asset in the city,
Oh, for sure.
offering plenty of room for outdoor activities.
Absolutely.
And again, that PC status, warrants a closer look.
Yeah, for sure. Our penultimate property is 85 Duggan Avenue
Okay.
in Young St. Clair.
Right.
This detached home is listed at $2,895,000
Okay.
and has 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
It's another very new listing with only 2 days on the market.
Right.
The standout here is that it's a much admired detached home on the south side in prime Deer Park,
Nice.
offering a wonderful family-friendly layout and a lush south-facing garden.
Deer Park is known for its excellent schools
Yeah.
and its strong sense of community,
Yeah.
making it a top choice for families.
Absolutely.
A south-facing garden is always a plus,
For sure.
providing great light for gardening and outdoor living.
Totally. And finally, our last property for this quick tour is 296 Glen Road
Okay.
in Rosedale Moore Park.
Right.
This semi-detached home is listed at $2,995,000
Okay.
and boasts 5 bedrooms.
Nice.
It's been on the market for 23 days, a new listing.
All right.
The standout attribute is that it's a beautifully appointed 4-bedroom plus office home
Wow.
in North Rosedale, complete with an in-ground pool sauna and even a hidden loft.
An in-ground pool and a sauna,
Yeah.
those are luxurious additions.
Yeah.
And a hidden loft.
Yeah.
It just adds a unique and intriguing element.
Totally.
North Rosedale is one of Toronto's most prestigious neighborhoods,
For sure.
and a 5-bedroom, semi-detached
Yeah,
offers substantial living space.
absolutely. So that wraps up our quick look at a selection of open house properties available this weekend,
Wow.
all curated for you by Brad Cox
Right.
of the Heaps Estrin team.
Yeah.
Hopefully this has given you a useful overview of some of the opportunities out there.
Yeah, for sure.
And remember, if any of these caught your eye or
Yeah.
if you have a specific vision in mind,
Yeah.
Brad Cox is an expert in creating that bespoke real estate experience,
He is.
and he has access to many more properties that might be the perfect fit for you.
Exactly.
It's always fascinating to see the variety of properties and neighborhoods that Toronto has to offer.
It is.
Hopefully this has given you some food for thought as you
Yeah.
consider your next move.
And maybe it sparks a thought.
Yeah.
With such a diverse range of properties and micromarkets within Toronto,
Oh.
what specific features or neighborhoods
Yeah.
are now top of mind for you
Yeah.
in your own property search?
Yeah.
It's all about finding that right fit.
Exactly.
And Brad can definitely help you with that.
For sure. All right. Thanks for joining us.
Awesome.
And we'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.
Sounds good.